Adding a debit card to your Gemini account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Gemini app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the account settings or payment methods section. This is typically found in the menu or profile settings. Step 3. Select a debit card. In the payment method section, look for an option to add a new payment method. Choose the option to add a debit card. Step 4. Enter card information. Input the required details for your debit card, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you've completed these steps, your debit card should be successfully added to your Gemini account. You can now use it for transactions.